ኢንተርቪው ካረጋችሁ በኋላ ቴንክ ዩ ኢሜል እያላካችሁ ካልሆነ ትልቅ ስህተት እየሰራችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል። ምናልባት ያ ቴንክ ዩ ኢሜል deciding factor of whether you guys are going to get hired or not ሊሆን ይችላል። ሶ ሁልጊዜም ኢንተርቪው ካረጋችሁ በኋላ don't forget to send a thank you email። በዚህ ደግሞ ልረዳችሁ thank you ኢሜላችሁ ውስጥ 3 ነገሮች ኢንክሉድ ማድረግ ያለባችሁን እዚህ ጋር ኖት ጽፌ መጥቻለሁ። መጨረሻ ላይ ደግሞ ሳምፕል thank you ኢሜል ራሴ የላኩትን አነብላችኋለሁ። ሰብስክራይብ ፎሎ ማታርጉኝ ከሆነ ፎሎ አድርጉኝ፣ ላይክ ሼር ለሚረዳ ሰው እና ደግሞ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ኦኬ አንደኛ gratitude express ማድረግ አለባችሁ። you have to thank the person for their time ምክንያቱም ከናንተ ጋር ስፔንድ ያደረጉትን ታይም thank you ማለት አለባችሁ። ሁለተኛ ፖዚሽኑ ላይ ያላችሁን ኢንተረስት ኤክስፕረስ ካረጋችሁ በኋላ even something if you guys talked about something, for example if they talk to you about the operations that they have in the company ምናምን ስለሱ ነገር reiterate አድርጋችሁ ማውራት አለባችሁ፣ ማድነቅ ሰዎችን አለባችሁ። ኦኬ ሶስተኛ again ኢንትረስቱን ኤክስፕረስ ታረጉና ድጋሜ about next steps ጠይቋቸዋላችሁ። Okay, so this one ለምሳሌ እኔ ላኩት thank you email it's for, after having an interview with the HR person ከHR person ጋር ካረግን በኋላ ነው ይሄን ኢሜል የላኩት። Okay, so I'm just going to read it for you guys እንደ ቴምፕሌት እንድትጠቀሙት። Good morning አልኩኝና ስማቸውን አስገባው። I wanted to express my gratitude for the opportunity to speak with you yesterday regarding the role ተናገርኩኝ role at the company. On our conversation was truly insightful. So I didn't minimum specific የሆነ ነገር አልተናገርኩም because this was with just the HR person. Okay, I greatly appreciate your time, the time you invested in getting to know me better and discussing my qualification. I even feel more confident about my suitability for the position and potential synergy between my capabilities and the company's needs. Okay, in addition, I have attached my most recent resume to this email for your review. Thank you once again for your time and consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity to progress further in the selection process and potentially join the exceptional team at the company name. So you guys can use that. Again, make sure you guys tweak it and not more position more specific adrugut. That's just a general thank you email because it's just for the hiring manager. But after I had the technical interview, but detailed on a thank you email likalo. Soon እንደነግራችሁ ከፈለጋችሁ comment ላይ ንገሩኝ. I hope this was helpful, you guys. Bye.